Data can make braking more intelligent, more productive, and more profitable. With SAM, you can check the status of each Rammer hammer individually, including working hours, maintenance intervals, and spare parts needs. With accurate data, you can plan maintenance and optimize your stocks. SAM connects to the RD3 remote monitoring device. The RD3 comes factory fitted as standard with all Excellence Line hammers and as an option with Performance Line. It can also be easily retrofitted to older models. SAM is your always-on digital assistant. The RD3 is your remote monitoring device. SAM is the system of the future. Find out what you can do with data